काफिराना सा है, इश्क है या क्या है, ऐसे तुम मिले हो। Yo guys, so I'm back. My name is Pranjli. Stop! We're not talking to you. This is my YouTube video. The only person who's supposed to be talking is me. So shut up, mithu. So welcome to my channel. My name is Pranjli. I'm a singer-songwriter from Noida, India. I got a new haircut. My mom cut my hair, and as you can see, ignore my messy background. And he just flew when he's right there behind the camera. I thought it had been a while since I actually sat down to do a cover video. Qaafirana is Sushant's most loved song, like one of the most loved songs. So as a tribute to him, I thought, why not sing this song in his memory? I'll just be singing off of this, so let's see how the sound would go. I literally have no idea about that. Now I should shut up and just bend over. No, I should just sing. इन वादियों में मिठू I gotta take back his mirror. मिठू बहुत थप्पड़ मारूंगी तुम्हें मैं, चलो गंदे बच्चे। इन वादियों में टकरा चुके हैं हमसे मुसाफिर, यूं तो कहीं दिल ना लगाया हमने किसी से, किससे सुने हैं यूं तो कहीं, ऐसे तुम मिले हो, ऐसे तुम मिले हो, जैसे मिल रही हो इत्र से हवा। काफिराना सा है, इश्क है या क्या है, ऐसे तुम मिले हो, ऐसे तुम मिले हो, जैसे मिल रही हो इत्र से हवा। काफिराना सा है, इश्क है या क्या है। Oh my god, this is about to go like really low. I don't know if I'll be able to hit those notes. खामोशियों में बोली तुम्हारी, खामोशियों में बोली तुम्हारी, कुछ इस तरह गूंजती है, कानों से मेरे होते हुए वो दिल का पता ढूंढती है। बेसुवादियों में, बेसुवादियों में जैसे मिल रहा हो कोई जायका। काफिराना सा है, इश्क है या क्या है, ऐसे तुम मिले हो, ऐसे तुम मिले हो, जैसे मिल रही इत्र से हवा काफिराना सा है इश्क है या क्या है. Literally, my brother and my parrot have to disturb me right effing now when I'm trying to record a video. I literally kill him after this. La 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 la. गोदी में पहाड़ियों की उजली दोपहरी गुजारना हाय हाय तेरे साथ में अच्छा लगे. शर्मीली अखियों से तेरा मेरी नजर उतारना हाय हाय हर बात पे अच्छा लगे. ढलती हुई शाम ने बताया है कि दूर मंजिल पे रात है. मुझको तसल्ली है ये कि होने तलक रात हम दोनों साथ हैं. संग चल रहे हैं धूप के किनारे छाँव की तरह. काफिराना सा है इश्क है या क्या है. ऐसे तुम मिले हो जैसे मिल रही हो इत्र से हवा. काफिराना सा है इश्क है या क्या है. This was truly a disaster. My parrot kept flying and my brother was like he had to go to the washroom and poop his pants right now. And literally looking at me like, oh, are you like doing something? Bruh, can't you hear my voice? I'm trying to record a... Okay, even kids watch this channel, so I'm not supposed to abuse. Guys, I'll be posting more covers. I'm really busy currently in my music academy. We now have students from all over the world, so I'm really excited about that. And we're working with some of the best music teachers for violin, piano, guitar. If you're interested in that, just check out the number, WhatsApp number, or DM us on Instagram or Facebook. I'll see you actually very soon for another YouTube cover video. I don't know. It just depends on what I'm feeling in the moment. It just depends on all of that, so I cannot guarantee. Vocal fry is a unhealthy behavior. Okay, bye! Bye. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?